Good morning, students. How are you? Today I teach triangles exercise 6.2. Our question is 6.2. In the figure, this is the figure. What is given? LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to DC or CD. Right? This is LN parallel to DC. Okay. And we need to prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. This is our question. Students, write down given. What is given here? LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD. We need to prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Okay. According to theorem 1, you write that theorem 1. We know that if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Here in the figure C, this is a triangle ACB. It is a triangle. It is a triangle. Here it is LM parallel to CB. Okay. Therefore, AM by MB. AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. এখানে লেখা হয়েছে না? Students, see here. We reverse this. AM by MB equal to AL by LC. এইটোক আমি reverse কৰি দিওঁতে কি হ'ল? MB by AM equal to LC by AM. Okay. এতিয়া চোৱা both side আমি 1 add কৰি দিছোঁ. both side add কৰি দিলে আমাৰ কি নহয়, একো প্ৰব্লেম নহয়, হয়নে? 1 add কৰি দিছোঁ। গতিকে ইয়াত কি পাবা? AM plus MB by AM is equal to AL plus LC by AL. See in the figure, AM plus MB is equal to what? AB. এইটো part add কৰি দিলে আমি কি পাম? AB পাম। Similarly, AL plus LC is equal to AC. Now again we reverse it. So AM by AB is equal to AL by LC. Similarly, in the triangle ADC, we can prove that what we can prove AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. Okay. Similarly, in triangle ADC, what we can prove? AL by AC. AL by AC is equal to AN by AD. Now, using 1 and 2, 1 agote likha ase na, using 1 and 2, what we can find? This part is equal to this part. So, AN by AD is equal to AM by AB. Therefore, you can write using 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we get AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Proof. Clear হৈছে নে? এটাকে তোমালোকে প্ৰুফটো কৰিব লাগিব। আৰু যি আমি থিয়ৰেমবিলাক পাম, হয়নে? আমি কিছুমানত থিয়ৰেম আমাৰ ইয়াতে কি হৈছে 6.1 আৰু 6.2 থিয়ৰেম ইউজ হৈছে। আমি থিয়ৰেমকেইটা তোমালোকক লিখি নিদিওঁ, প্ৰত্যেকটাত বাৰে বাৰে লিখি থাকিলে আমাৰ ভিডিঅ'টো দীঘল হৈ যায়, হয়নে? মই কৈ দিম তোমালোকক যে নাম্বাৰ 1 থিয়ৰেম ইউজ হৈছে। তোমালোকে তাত কিন্তু থিয়ৰেমটো ইউজ কৰিবা। থিয়ৰেমটো ইউজ কৰিলে তোমাৰ মাৰ্ক অলপো কাটা নাযায়, হয়নে? নহ'লে কি হৈ যাব, সেইখিনিৰ কাৰণে তুমি মাৰ্ক নাপাবা। বুজি পাইছা? Students, here we discuss question number 4. See in the figure. What is the figure? ABC is a triangle. What is given here? DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. You draw the figure correctly. Okay. How you have to draw? DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. Then we need to prove that BF by FE equal to BE by EC. This is okay. Now see the according theorem 6.1. You must write the theorem. Okay. In the question 3, we write already Here also you write down. Okay. Then see in the triangle ABE. It is a triangle. AB is a triangle. ABE. And what is the condition given? DE parallel to AE. Sorry, DF. DE not. DF. DF parallel to AE. Okay. Then what we find according to theorem 6.1? BD by DA. DA is equal to BF by FE. This is number 1. You understand this clearly? Okay. Similarly, you take the triangle ABC. Now, in triangle ABC, what is DE parallel to AC? Okay. DE parallel to AC. So write down. Similarly, in triangle ABC, what is the condition given? DE parallel AC. Okay. Therefore, BD by DA. See that BD by DA. BE by EC. BE by EC. Okay. Now see in the from 1 and 2, what is the one time you find BD by DA is equal to BF by FE, and another time what you find BD by DA is equal to BE by EC. So using 1 and 2, what we can write? BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. See, and if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then A and C must be equal. So you can write, therefore, using 1 and 2, we get what we get? BF by FE is equal BE by EC. This is our question. This is the question. Students, see question number 5. What is given? In the figure, exam তোমালোকক ফিগাৰটো নিদিব পাৰে, তোমালোকে নিজে ড্ৰ কৰিব লাগিব. In the figure DE parallel to OQ. This is OQ and DF parallel to OR. We need to prove that EF parallel to QR. What is the given? DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. What to prove that EF parallel to QR? Okay. Now see the theorem 6.1. According to the theorem 6.1, you must write the theorem here. Okay. Now in triangle POQ, PQO, it is a triangle. Okay. Here DE parallel to OQ. It is given. Okay. DE parallel to OQ. So PE by EQ. This is PE by EQ. According to theorem is equal to PD by DO. Number 1. Similarly, in triangle POR, what is given? DF parallel to OR. So PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. Understand clearly? So using 1 and 2, we what find? P by EQ is equal to PD by DO and PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. If A is equal to C and A is equal to D, then C and D must be equal. So So using these two conditions, what we find? We find this is. Our proof is finished. Yeah. And next, what we have to write? And according to theorem 6.2. Okay. Then তোমালোকে কি কৰা 6 থিওৰেমটো ইউজ কৰা ইউজ কৰি আমি তাত কি পাইছিলোঁ হয়নে সেই থিওৰেমটোৰ মতেদি চাবা এই দি পাৰ্টবিলাক কি পালোঁ ইকুৱেল P by EQ is equal PF by FR. P by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So according to theorem 2, what we can write EF parallel to Q R. গতিকে সেইখিনি তোমালোকে কি কৰিব লাগিব থিওৰেমটো লিখি দিব লাগিব again according to theorem 6.2 you must write the theorem here in triangle PQR EF intersects PQ and PR in the same ratio. Therefore, EF parallel to QR. That is, students, see the question number. The figure is given here, but in examination, figures do not give. So you must read the question and try to draw the figure yourself. Okay. What are given? A, B, C are points on. A, B, C are points on OP. This is OP, OQ and OR respectively. How they are situated? AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. We need to prove that BC parallel to QR. According to theorem 6.1, you must write the theorem here. What is? Find with in triangle OPQ AB parallel to PQ. So OA by AP equal to OB by BQ. Here you write condition 1. Students, see here. First we have already proved that OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Next, see in the triangle ORP. What we have find? AC is parallel to what is? PR. AC is parallel to PR. Okay, so OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. This is question number 2, right? Mark this is 2. Then see what we find. One time we find OA by AP is equal OC by CR, and already we found OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. So using 1 and 2, what we find? OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. Again, according to theorem 6.2, what we find in triangle OQR. Here BC divides OQ and OR in the same ratio. So BC parallel to QR. Students, you must write the theorems. Okay. Students, see question number 7. What is given here? Using theorem 6.1. Here the question says as to using theorem 6.1. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Recall, we already proved this in the class 9. Okay. Let ABC is a triangle. Okay. D is the midpoint of AB, and what is given condition? D is parallel to BC. We need to prove that E is the midpoint of AC. This is our question. The question asks you to use the theorem 6.1. Students, you must write the theorem 6.1. What is given in the triangle ABC? DE parallel to BC. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is since AD and DB are equal. So when equal parts are divided, we must get 1. Therefore, A is equal to EC. Since A is equal to EC, E must be the midpoint of AC. So easy, na? Question number 8C. What is given? Let A be C a triangle. And what are the conditions given? D and E are the midpoints. D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. Okay. Joining DE, we need to prove that DE parallel to this. Okay. Here, what is clue is given? The clue is we have to use theorem 6.2. But in the examination, we do not get the clue. We must think and write. Okay. See here, given D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. So, AD is equal to DB and A is equal to EC. Why? Because D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. So, this is right, one number. Then see, when you divide AD by DB, since this and this equal, so the division must be 1. Similarly, AE by EC is equal to 1. Now using 2 and 3, since ratios here also 1. What is the ratio? 1. Here ratio is also 1. So using 2 and 3, what we find? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. And now using the theorem 6.2, you must write your theorem. Okay. We get in the triangle ABC, DE divides this DE line segment divides AB and AC in the same ratio. So DE parallel to BC. Okay, students, what is given here? ABCDE is a trapezium. Now, what is a trapezium? A quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Here, what is the given? AB is parallel to CD and diagonals. AC and BD are its diagonals. Okay, they intersect each other at O. Then we need to show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This is our question. Okay. In some questions where we want to prove construction is needed, here we also construct. What is construct? Here the condition is given AB is parallel to CD. Okay, we draw AB parallel CD parallel OL is drawn. In this figure, what is needed? Construction is needed. Then proof. What is a proof? Here we use theorem 6.1 according to theorem 6.1. You must write the theorem. Okay. Students, you must write the theorem. Students, see here in the triangle ABC. What is the triangle? This is the triangle ABC. ABC. What is given here? OL. This is OL. OL parallel to AB. So, AO by OC is equal to BL by LC. This is condition 1. Similarly, in triangle BCD, here OL is parallel to DC, OL. Okay. So, BO by OD. BO by OD is equal to BL by LC. You understand this? BL by LC. Understand clearly? First time we take this triangle, this. Okay. And second time what triangle? This. Okay. Understand? Now see here, using 1 and 2, what we will? OA by OC is equal to BL by LC equal BO by OD is equal to BL by LC. This part equal. So OA by OC is equal to BO by OD. But question asks you to write AO by OB. So here what this is cross multiply. So we can write AO by OB equal to OC by OD. But OB and BO is the same line segment. So BO is written as AB. This is our proof. Okay. Students, question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABC. What is given here? ABCD is a quadrilateral. AC and BD are its diagonals. They intersect each other such that at AO by OB is equal to CO by DO. And we need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. That means AB parallel to CD. And here question is given ABCD is a quadrilateral. In the question number 9, what is given? ABCD is a trapezium. Here also construction needed. Okay. OL is drawn parallel to CD. Okay. Now according to theorem 6.1, you must write the theorem 6.1. What we find? Students, see here in the figure BCD. It is BCD. What is given? OL parallel to DC. What is by construction? This. Okay. Therefore, BO by OB by OD. OB by OD is equal to BL by LC. Okay. But what is given? AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. It is our condition given. But we can write this AO by OC is equal to BO by DO. Okay. Now using 1 and 2. What you find? OB by OD. Same. BO by OD. Okay. BO by DO. Same. Is equal to one time BL by LC and another time AO by OC. So this part must be equal. Therefore AO by CO is equal to BL by LC. And what we find? We find that according to theorem 2, 6.2, here likhi diba theorem kini. In triangle ABC, see here, this is the triangle. ABC is the triangle. Here OL divides. This is OL. This is ABC is a triangle. It is marked as okay. That part of there is OL. This is OL divides AC and BC. This is AC and this is BC in the same ratio. So OL parallel to AB. This again we constructed that OL parallel to DC. OL parallel to DC. And by proof, we what find OL parallel to AB. Using this, we can find that AB parallel to CD. Since a pair of opposite sides of the quadrilateral is parallel, therefore, you must write here, therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. This is our proof. And our exercise 6.2 is also finished. Okay. Students, if you don't understand clearly, please ask me question.